What if you could build one chart and use it everywhere? The same visualization in your annual report, inside a PDF, and interactive on a web page without rebuilding it or redesigning anything. In this video, I'll show you how Flourish lets you export a static image from your visualization so you can make it once and share it everywhere. With Flourish's export options, you can design once and generate exactly the format that you need. One of the most versatile options is an image that can be used across report, PDF, slide deck, or even social media. If you're a premium Flourish customer, here are the options available to you. Once your visualization is ready, open Export and Publish and select Download Image. Depending on the template, you'll usually see formats like PNG, JPEG, and SVG. PNG and JPEG are great for reports and documents. But if you're exporting for high quality prints or working in tools like Adobe Illustrator, SVG is the best choice. You can change the dimensions manually or upscale the export, for example by clicking the 2x, so that the image stays crisp when placed into a PDF or report. Once downloaded, you can drop that image straight into your document editor, layout software, or design tool. A few bonus tips. When exporting an SVG, text isn't included as editable text elements because this is a vector export. Another thing to note is some Flourish templates don't include image downloads at all because the render might be too complex, such as a 2D or 3D interactive graphic. And that's how you can create one chart once and use it in a printed report, a PDF, or as a live interactive embed on your website. Consistent design, no duplication, one visualization everywhere.